One, two, three, four. Four rings. Four rings means it's Audi. You know Audi. The brand is very popular globally. It's been around for a long time. You know what the brand represents. But now it represents great value also. Let me explain. So it's a large SUV, as you can see. Look at its length. And the best part is it's not a 5-seater. It's a 7-seater. So this Audi Q7 is a 7-seater. You actually have a third row seating available at the back. Okay, maybe not for people as large as me, but maybe for smaller, slimmer, or maybe yoga instructors. But still, you can get 7 people inside with luggage room at the back. Now, this Q7 now has got a very, very special offer. And what is the special offer? Powering this Q7 is a 3-liter turbocharged V6 engine. Let me remind you, it's a 6-cylinder engine, 340 brake horsepower, 500 Newton meters of torque. Of course, assisting it is a 48-volt mild hybrid system, which will reduce your fuel consumption. So this car, this large executive luxury SUV 7-seater, it was launched in May last year, 2025, for 462,000 ringgit. It was local assembled and it was selling very well. But right now, you can buy a slightly used management fleet car, slightly used, like this car, just a few thousand miles on it, full service history, everything else, for 399,900. Now, that's a big saving, 60 over 1,000 ringgit saving in less than 1 year for this luxury premium SUV with a 3-liter V6 engine. Think about it, 399,990. Go to any Volkswagen, Audi dealership and you will see this management fleet vehicles there on sale. To find out more, read what is coming next at the bottom.